Let me show you how to make your first $1,000 with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. And what I'm about to show you is not just to make you money for this period. If you can do it continually, you are definitely going to build a business around it, and it's going to be paying your bills every week, because this is how I guarantee 100 to 200,000 naira every week for myself. I do it often and often. So if you can understand and implement, then you are definitely going to be making that every blessed week. And without any further ado, let's go there. The first step to achieve this is to look for a product. Now, if you have followed me on this channel, you would know that I always tell you that for you to make money online, you need to either have a product or a service that will solve people's problems. Let's just look for a product that people would need this season. All right, let's call it an essential product. All right, this product can either be physical or digital product. So if it is a digital product, then we are going to go to an affiliate marketing platform and sign up, a free platform, and then pick a product. Now, let me explain. Now, if you don't want to deal with digital products, then let's talk about physical product. To get access to a physical product, you can go into any market around you, find out an importer that is selling a particular physical product, maybe children toy, clothes, whatever. But I don't like clothes because it's oversaturated. Unique and rare things to find. It might not be a very little thing, but it's not common. All right. Then I will tell you how to sell them and make this money for yourself. In short, make sure you find a product that is not common, but beautiful, fanciful. Nigerians like beauty and fancy, so they can live their fake life to the fullest. Now, when you get to the market, find out the importer of that particular product. Negotiate with the importer. Am I calling it? Is it negotiation or discuss with the importer? Now, what are you going to discuss with the importer? Sir, I am a drop shipper. I'm going to be getting customers to buy this product from you. Now, what you have to do for me is anytime I send in an order, please deliver it for me to this location. This is very simple, and they inside the market are already used to this. They know it is their duty to deliver it. And that is why a lot of girls go into posting different products on their WhatsApp status and claim they sell this, they sell that. That is what they do. And when someone places an order, they will just send the person's money and take their own, while the owner of the product does the delivery to the address they sent to them. This is very simple. Now, because you are getting from an importer, you're going to be buying it at the cheapest price in the market. But if you cannot locate an importer, go and meet any wholesale seller. So they are also going to give you at a discounted price. Now, this is the secret there. People pay more to buy online than offline, because people who spend money online are used to buying things online. They are lazy about going to the market, so they are ready to pay you twice the original amount in the market. In short, most of them don't even know the price of these commodities in the market. The question is, how do we sell it? The same method applies for the digital product and for the physical product. Now, we are going to be using the online space. That is where the market already is, less competitive. The offline market, if you decide to sell it in the market, you are not going to actually succeed, because you are new in the game and there are competitors who have already made name for you. So we are dealing with the online space. Now, there are two basic ways you sell things online. If you have followed me for some time now, I always say it in my videos. Now, the organic method and the inorganic method. And for the organic method is where you sell naturally. When we were in secondary school, they taught us organic manure and inorganic manure. So they are called organic manure because they are natural. So these are sales you generate naturally without spending money. So how do they come? Maybe through your content, you start promoting the product with your content by creating strategic contents to actually sell the products. All right. This is going to take you time, because me, I'm a social media strategist. I can do it and still generate sales. Well, because you might not know a lot about content creation, and this is why I always advise you to get a training on content creation. It's going to help you make money a lot. So if you're interested in learning content creation, the link will be in the description bar. Let me get back to organic sales. Maybe through your content, posting your WhatsApp status, and word of mouth, telling people in your church that you sell this, showing them the pictures, telling your friends that you sell this, and all of that through SMS and the rest of that. Any sales method that you do not spend a dime to generate the customers, that is the organic and natural method. But this is not what we are going to be using, because the sales are not guaranteed. It doesn't give us continuous sales as we want. But however, I will tell you how it's done. Now, let's say your digital product is on how to lose weight. You went to an affiliate marketing platform like stakecore.com, you pick a digital product, and then that product is on weight loss. All right, now what you're going to do is to create a brand new social media account, and then you start creating content that will talk about the importance of weight loss, how to lose weight, types of exercises to do at home to lose weight, and the rest of them. Now you start creating content related to that product. Now this will make you appear as an expert in that niche. So it will attract people who are overweight to your page as a place where they find solutions to their problem. Now, at the end of the day, you start recommending your product. Do you understand? That is the strategy. Now, you carry the link to the product, all right, your affiliate link, and add it to your bio. What is going to happen is at the end of your content, you now tell them that you have a product that can help them solve this problem. So if they want it, they should just click on the link on your bio to get it. Trust me, if you do this very well, you are going to get a lot of sales. All right, now thank God for AI. Just go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that you sell a digital product on weight loss. Impute the name of the product, tell it to help you generate a 30 days content and e-script to help you generate sales. It's going to give you the content. Just go and create the content and post. By the time you do it for 1 month, you are going to start making massive sales that you would not expect. But we are not going to be using this method because we want something that will give us consistent sales. All right, that's why I'm talking about it shallow. I'm going to be giving you detailed explanation on the inorganic method. So let's talk about the inorganic method. Because these sales are not guaranteed, we are not going to be using it. We have limited time. So we are going to be using a method that is going to guarantee our sales and generate massive income for us. And this takes us to what we call the inorganic method. Now, the inorganic method is the method where the market is manipulated through paid adverts, influencer marketing, and the rest of them. So they are the sales method where you have to actually spend money to generate the sales. You pay an influencer to actually advertise the product for you, or maybe you run ads, maybe TikTok ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads to actually generate the sales. Now, among these things I mentioned now, the one that we are going to be using is the paid adverts. All right, calm down. I know you are scared now because you don't want to spend the dime, but you forgot that you cannot catch a fish without a bait. All right, the question is, how much are you even spending? You're not going to be spending more than 3,000 naira or 2,000 naira per day to achieve these sales. All right, with this you are going to make maybe 10 sales every day if you choose a good product that is not common. Now we're going to be using Facebook ads or TikTok ads. Facebook ads is better because Facebook is a serious platform where serious-minded people come for business. So a businessman will see your adverts and the rest of them, and there is chances of targeting. So let's say you are selling bomb shots, right? Now people who need bomb shots are girls between 18 to maybe 35 years. With Facebook, you can target these people exactly. You can target people who are interested in fashion. You can target people who have bought something on Facebook before. You can target the exact people that needs your product. This will make it very, very easier for your advert to convert and reach the right people that will buy your product very easily. Now let's take it to TikTok. Now TikTok is also good, the same ads, but their targeting flexibility is not yet there. But if you can deal with it, you are still definitely going to generate sales. I'm not saying you shouldn't use it. It is the easiest to learn. All right. Once you learn either of this method, you are good to go. But I would always recommend Facebook. Now, what do we do? Now, if you are selling a digital product, right, I would like you to create a Facebook group. And this Facebook group is where you are going to tell them more about your products so they can patronize you. People don't buy from you if they don't know you. People must always buy from people they know. So you don't just need to run the adverts there and tell them to give you money immediately. No, it might not work. If you are able to reach 10,000 people, maybe just 3 people would buy. 3 people who are very rich and don't care if they lose the money. Remember, this is Nigeria. Nobody trusts anybody. Scam is predominant. So people will only buy if they know, they trust, they like you. We call it the KTL model. I've talked about it here several times. All right. So how do we make them know us? By nurturing them. So when you run your advert, you are going to run the messaging objective. That's lead or even sales, and then direct the advert to come to your WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp group is where you now tell them more about this digital product. Now, the good thing there is that most of these digital products already have the videos that will do that for you. Especially on StakeCut, most of the products there, the owner of the product already created this video that will help you sell the product. So what you have to do is to just download this video or copy the link to that video and come to the WhatsApp group and post it. So when they are coming and tell them in 3 days time, we are going to, or in 2 days time, or the same day, we are going to be teaching them the thing for free training. So to make what I'm saying super clear, this is stakeout.com. Now, if you look at this place, you can see I've made a total of $535 from this platform. It's an affiliate marketing platform. So now, why I recommend affiliate products, that's digital products, is because, like I said, the creators of these products have made everything available for you. All right. You just need to just pick up, copy the affiliate link. That is the link assigned to you so that they will know when you make a sale and start promoting it, start talking about the product. So when we run the ads, we bring people to our WhatsApp community, all right, WhatsApp group. Then we give them the webinar, that is the video training that will convince them and tell them more about the product, and then they buy. When you sign up with your email address and you are good to go. Now let us go to the marketplace and see the product they have here. You click on this place, right? Click on these three lines. Then you scroll down, you're going to see marketplace. Click on marketplace. Then you're going to see series of products they have here. So let's say we want to pick this product and promote. You just have to click on promote. So when you click on promote, you're going to see everything you need to start promoting this product. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the price of this product. This is $20 and your commission is 50%. So every sale you make $10. So this is the affiliate link. This is the link you're going to be promoting, right? When someone wants to buy, this is the link you give the person. Let's click on JV page. So this JV page means joint venture page. This is where you find all the materials you need to start promoting this product, all right? So click on JV page. Let's scroll down. So you're going to see everything, see their commission and their bonuses they are giving, all right? Resources. Now this is where the resources are. That's the materials you need to start promoting the product, right? So when you click on it, they are going to send you every details you need to your email, all right? And if you have flyers, look at the webinar video. So this is the video that will help teach the people that showed interest in your group everything about this product, all right? All you need to do is to click on the share button. If you don't want to go into receiving the materials, you just want this, copy it, and that's it. It's not just it, though. They're going to send you testimonials. Look at it. You know the role of testimonials. So what people who have bought this product said about it, testimonials, evidences that it's working, and the rest of them. So you can see that it is basically very simple to do. So run these ads, get these people. But the problem there is just how to run the ads, which will take you just less than 2 hours to learn. Just learn how to run messaging objective, all right? That you get them to your WhatsApp group. Do it 2 times every week. You are good with 300K per week. This is what I do on a steady, on a regular. Let me show you one of my groups where I'm selling my current product now. So ultimate content creation guide for beginners. This is my own personal course. So if you want to become an affiliate, you can send me a message that you want to become an affiliate and sell my product. Look at it here. It's 10,000 naira. It's my own. So I run ads on Facebook and I bring people to this group. You are going to see join group link. People keep joining. Are you seeing them? People keep joining. People keep joining. So I've done the training already. So I made the video, but you've not gone to that extent, right? Look at the webinar video, right? So this is the video that taught them everything and convinced them. Then look at receipts, 10,000 naira people that have bought. Okay. Look at someone again that bought. So that's how we do it. And I have like 150 people have joined this group, all right? So let's say before 3 days time, they would have been up to 200, 300 or 200, 250 people. And I post my webinar again and tell them about the product, and that's it. So you can do it as your consistent business that gives you constant income every week. You will never go broke again in your life. All right, just try striving to get better and get better and better and better. So if you want access to the Facebook ads course, I'm going to be linking the free tutorial in the description. And then if you want to become a professional ads person, then I'm also going to paste the link to the paid course, all right, that you can learn everything and start running ads for people too. All right, you become a Facebook ads expert. That is the other one. So whichever one you can do, just get started. What I want is for you to win in 2026. I don't need somebody to tell me it works. All right, let's proceed. So everything is made easy for you over there. Now let's take it to the physical product. Now for the physical product, you don't need any WhatsApp group. Just run the advert to your WhatsApp. I will not start telling you how to set up sales page on seller to receive payment automatically and all that. No, there is no time for that. We are just going to run the advert and bring the person to a WhatsApp and then do the transaction there, and that is it. All right. Now, but you don't know how to run this advert. That is just the problem. But if you know how to run this advert, kudos to you. You are good to go. All right. Now, we don't know how to run this advert. How do we do it? Now, I'm going to be dropping a link to my Facebook ads course, which is very, very affordable. Or I'm also going to drop a link to a complete free Facebook ads tutorial in the description bar where you're going to click and watch the tutorial, all right? Or I'm going to be posting it in my community, all right? So you can either join my community through the link in the description bar, then you will watch the free Facebook ads training that I got for you guys, so you guys will get to know how to do it for free. But if you want to know how to do it like a pro, so that you can start getting jobs even after running your own ads from people, then you have to get my course on Facebook ads. That is going to deliver you. Now, my WhatsApp link will also be in the description, so you can make inquiries directly from me. If you can do this, you are good to go. You are definitely going to make more than 300,000 naira from now till the next 7 days. This is what I'm going to be calling today. This is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, and digital marketing. Now, if what I said in this video made sense, please, I would like you to come to the comment section and say, Solo, it did make sense. I would appreciate that. Please share this video so you can get to more people, and click on the subscribe button if you have not done that. All right. So I'm going to be seeing you at the next one. Every link you need will be in the description bar. I'm Solomon Chicks once again, and I sign out.